What's happening? What's happening? Hey, it's your boy Lil Jon. Lil
Jon. Hey, what's up? I'm B Crunkster 5. My name actually is B Crunk, but it was already taken for the usernames, I guess. So I got stuck with B Crunkster 5. So that's what it is. I made this because my friend like wants me to make videos every week and be like Jenna Marbles and other people that make videos every week, but I don't think I'm that funny, and she does. So what are you gonna do? But I do a video that'll probably make a lot of people laugh. This is my dad, and he's singing "Love's Train," and yeah, his microphone is a 5-star flashlight. So I hope you enjoy it.
Hey, you baby, I'll be your righteous lover, sugar, honey, I'm gonna be through. Something's over, baby, I really wanna be with you.
Do you?
If by chance you let me come home,
These are all breaking.
out on the street, I wanna see you, baby. You let me come home. Tell me what like it.
I wish I had an outfit like that. They all broke.
If you find that special lover and love keeps you tied to another, your
Way it
love
goes.
you don't need no ticket to ride. That's the way it goes on love's train. You find that special lover, love's tied you to each other. That's the way
Reggie,
it
is there any,
goes on love's train.
Rubber bands in the bathroom?
None of them think that they show lover.
I think there is.
Got to another. That's the way it goes on love's train. Love's train. You don't need no ticket to ride. Be broken to keep on choking. That's the way it goes on love's train.
Sorry.
Gonna be alright. Yes,
This one busted too.
So yeah, that's my dad, and he's singing "Love's Train." Um, um, so basically, I'm just gonna put up videos that are funny to me, I think, and see if people like them. I already have a video up. It's me and my friends dancing around the Virgin Mary. We named her Guadalupe that night, and basically that's what that is. You can go and check that out, like it, do whatever. Also I have my friend Christian here. She's a legit video of her falling down the stairs in the bunny slipper dance. They're pretty funny. I have a homie on here, Twisted Dipper 313. He dips and he does insane stuff. He's in jacuzzis. This video, he just does crazy stuff. And I also have a girl, my like best friend in the whole world, Jackie Lou. She dances and she's crazy just like me. So check out the videos, and I'll be putting more up. So see ya.
Hey, this was really fun.
We hope you liked it too.
Seems like we've just begun when suddenly we're through. Goodbye, goodbye, good friends, goodbye. 'Cause now it's time to go. But hey,